Hi little fashionistas, candy colors at the candy toy closet. We have a special guest visiting today. Wrapped in our colorful foil paper, we have some scrunchy hair bows. This is a purple one. We have a green scrunchy hair bow. We have our light-up ball that we like to use to decorate our packages. And then we have our hairband with the pretty rainbow flower. And now we're going to unwrap the package that our guest is in. And it is Princess Dress-Up Tiara. Here's a pretty little bobby pin flower. And we'll open her. See what comes with her. Okay, she comes with many accessories and a doll stand. She has a yellow outfit. They're magnetic, so you can change your clothes very easily. Looks very nice. And let's see what she has here. She has a yellow purse. She has a very colorful head piece. It's made of different colored feathers. She has a very pretty green top with a flower lining it. She's also comes with a tea cup and a teapot. She has a mirror and a fan. A hairbrush, another headpiece, a bottle of perfume. She has a little froggy friend. A fan. Another purse. And a very cool costume mask. She comes with a pair of pretty green gloves. Match your outfit. And then she comes with this green case to hold her accessories. And she has a bath brush here. Okay, every guest always gets some toys and candy surprises. So we're going to open this pink glitter egg. Inside is a plain egg. And Princess Tiara is getting a very delicious candy bracelet. And the purple glitter egg is a regular purple egg. And it has a delicious chocolate Almond Joy candy bar. And the green glitter egg is a plain yellow egg. And this has beautiful self-stick gems. Very pretty. And the blue glitter egg is a regular blue egg. And it has a beautiful heart pink princess ring. And finally, we have an egg of Elsa and Anna from Frozen. There's some Olaf stickers on it. I'm going to open this. And Princess Tiara got some Lemonhead berry chewy fruit candy. And some more Lemonhead candy, the fruit mix. Also comes with a backpack attachment with Olaf's picture. Some really nice stickers. And lots more candy. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs of delicious berry chewy Lemonhead fruit candy. Okay, little fashionistas, thank you for visiting Candy Colors Candy Toy Closet, where sweet surprises happen every day. Please remember to subscribe to our channel to see more sweet videos come your way. Have a wonderful day.